Kiki, I'm home. Hi. I missed you too. How was your day? Really? That bad, huh? Jeez. No way. So, can I tell you about my day? No? You still got more to say? Really? Okay, fine. I'll listen a little bit longer. Uh-huh. Penny did what? No. She wouldn't. I don't believe you. Kind of, if that's how you want to play it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Really? Okay. You done yet? Just about?